Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by launching Internet Explorer directly. Open the Start menu and type Internet Explorer or run Explore. EXE. Once done, make sure Windows 10 is updated so compatibility features work. If you plan to reuse it, right-click the icon and pin to the taskbar for faster access. You're doing this because Edge may not support legacy sites. Internet Explorer provides enterprise mode and legacy document modes that some internal sites still require. Now configure compatibility and security so sites render correctly. Open Tools Enterprise Mode Site List Manager or use the Enterprise Mode toggle in Developer Tools for a session. You'll add legacy sites to compatibility so old CSS and scripts behave as expected. Then go to Internet Options to adjust security zones and ActiveX permissions only as required. This prevents blocked content while keeping risk manageable. These steps ensure functionality finish by testing the site and saving any session settings. If pages look wrong, clear the cache and cookies, then reset Internet Explorer settings. This often resolves stale scripts. Use F12 Developer Tools to change the document mode or inspect console errors to pinpoint issues. If you still can't access required functionality, run Internet Explorer as administrator briefly to confirm permission problems and make sure group policy hasn't disabled IE. That single troubleshooting tip usually leads you straight to the fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.